Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a box in the mail from an old friend of mine from YouTube. This is PWPam. I should say long-time friend, she's not at all old. We have some pretty cool stuff in here. Really cool and important for the society today. Let me pull these all out of the box and we'll set them all here. I'm not even sure everything until I get them out here and have a look. Alright, let me move that box. Okay, we've got some multiples here, so we're going to be having some giveaways again over on DIY Tube. And it's very simple to join. All you have to do is leave a comment. So here we have 5 of these UV disinfection lamps. We'll be having a look at them and reviewing that in a while. And here's another one. There's 2 of another style. I'm not quite sure yet the difference. We'll be taking a look at these. We'll be reviewing one each and then sending out the extras to some winners on a giveaway on DIY Tube. And here we have 2 portable UVC sterilizing lamps. So slide this up so you can see what we got going on here. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have to pause a minute and have a look at the difference between all of these. So we've got 5 of the one, we've got 2 of another, and we've got 2 of these portable ones. These 5 do go together. These are ABS plastic, and these two go together. They're aluminum. And then the sterilizing lamps. Now I'm going to be reviewing all of these separately and independently. We'll have a look at one each for now, and then we'll go over everyone in detail on their own separate videos. And then of course we'll have a giveaway separately. So the UV disinfecting lamp, let's have a look here. Oh, it's got a seal. They're probably all neatly sealed, yep. So let me see what we got here. 3.8 watts, 3.7 volts, so it's probably an 18650 battery. Rated 1000 milliamp hours. Charges at 5 volts, so it's going to be USB chargeable. And there's a light bulb lifespan. I think it's 30,000 hours. Application: bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, cabinet, wardrobe, lobby, cars, etc. Yep, definitely USB chargeable. There's the cable, comes included. A little bit of a instruction book. I tell you what, her company puts out some quality. You don't get instruction packs and everything these days. Really high quality packing too. So, let's have a look here. It's very light. Very, very lightweight and convenient to hold. So there's a glass tube in there. I'm surprised how light it is. I'm going to have to read the instructions before I go ahead and try to... delay switch designed to protect your eyes. Oh, very important. You're not supposed to look into the light. Remind you, leave... It says PWPam, remind you to leave before it's on. I'm not sure what that means. I'm going to turn on, and I'm not going to look at it. Hold on a minute. I'm going to let you look at it on camera. I'm going to turn my eyes. I don't know how bright this is. If it's charged. I don't know what the delay is. Oh, there's something happening there. I'm looking at the camera now and not with my eyes. I'm not going to look at that. I don't know if it's on or not. I'm looking through the camera. But something's going on. I'll see it later when I'm editing the video, what's going on. Anyway, I'll read the instructions on that, and we'll do a full product review on this, and see how that works. So this disinfects your stuff. I can't say the words right now on YouTube, or I could lose my monetization, but I think you'll understand what this is for. So I'll be reviewing that separately in a separate video. And there's the aluminum one. I'll open one up and we'll do a review on it. I've got a nice little instruction manual. We'll be going over that in full detail on its own video. Charging cable. Very nice looking. Yep, that's the aluminum. Very, very, very nice. That's something you don't mind putting in your living room or bathroom or having be a part of your house. Now again, I'm going to look away while I turn that button on and see what happens. I'm going to cover my eyes and look through the display and see if there's any, it might or might not be charged after being in shipping. I'm not seeing anything happen. We'll have to charge these up and do a full product review later. But very nice. Oops, there it goes. There's the indicator. Alright. I don't want to look into it. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I can see indirectly looking at it. There's a faint glow. See it? There's a glow. Oh, you can see it glowing on the box behind it. So very convenient, very nice, especially in your bathroom for disinfecting things. And I think the portable one is going to be awesome to keep in a vehicle for travel. Just, you know, set it there and disinfect your mask. When you get home, you can put your reusable mask up there and disinfect that. Disinfect your soap bars. Soap actually is sort of nasty, the hand soaps, because everybody touches it, or your faucets and everything else. Alright, we'll have a look at the other one, the portable one. We have a little instruction manual, which I'll be looking at later. And we'll go over all this in detail in another video again. There's a USB charging cable. So these are all USB rechargeable, which is awesome. We are off the grid, and it's great when you can charge everything with portable power. So this is very convenient. Again, very, very nice. This one's made of plastic. You can tell by the extreme lightweight. Oh, in this case here we have battery tray. So it looks like four AAAs will power that. So we'll be doing that in a full test and full video later. But that it's USB chargeable. Interesting. Let me see what the box says on this one. So I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass to read that. I don't know if the camera will zoom that in for me or not. I can't see that with my own eyes. It's pretty small. We'll look it up. Rated at 5 volts, bulb power 2 watts, lifetime 10,000 hours. 4 AAA battery packs or batteries to power it. It has a USB cord to recharge, so you can put rechargeable batteries. Micro USB plug can't be used. Oops, nope. The micro USB plug cannot be used to recharge the batteries. Does this work on USB? I'm going to have to check that out. It might be USB powered, or plug in USB cable or batteries. Really cool. I like that. Cool. So this can be powered through the USB cable directly, well, in your car, on the go, or like we have, solar power, or with batteries. Keep it in your purse, keep it in your shirt pocket, take it with you wherever you go. Pretty cool. Alright guys, watch for the final, the actual individual reviews and field testing of these devices. All separate. I'll do 3 separate videos on these. And stay tuned for the giveaway video, which will be coming soon as well. And check out the links down below, everybody, if you want to go get these right away, especially with the season we're entering into, the time of year, winter, and this is just good to have for all year round anyway. These things, these are really good to have for safety and health in the family. I can see having these in the kitchen too. When you're working in the kitchen with between meats and vegetables, you can get cross-contamination, and these would be really good to make sure your utensils, cutting boards, and everything else are sterilized. I can see a lot of purposes for these everywhere. So watch out for the coming videos, and please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon to get notifications of uploads from my videos, and check out the links below to get yours today. Talk to you later.